She's such a pretty girl. Mommy trimmed her hair up a little bit better. Mommy ain't very good at cutting little puppy's hair anymore. She used to be pretty good, but now Pansy fights me so hard. Yeah. You fight me, don't you? You get tired of this old haircuts and stuff, don't you? You get tired of it, don't you? Hmm? Do you? Do you? You get really sick and tired of me, don't you? Yeah. You get really tired of it, don't you? Yeah. You said, I don't mind having a bath. But I don't like my hair being cut on. Do you? No, she don't. Yeah. Tell everybody how sweet you are. Show them. Yes, you do. That's a sweet baby girl. I tell you that right now. She's Mommy's baby girl. Oh, listen at her crying like a little baby.